In an increasingly digital world, can we afford to be ignorant of the language that drives it? Programming, the lifeblood of the digital age, is no longer confined to the realm of tech. Its influence permeates every sector, whether it's healthcare, where it aids in diagnosing diseases, or agriculture, where it optimizes crop yields, or the arts, where it breathes life into digital masterpieces, or entrepreneurship, where it fuels innovation. Programming is the backbone of problem-solving and innovation. Thus, understanding programming is becoming indispensable, not just for developers, but for everyone. But why should you, an individual who is not a tech professional, learn to code? You may wonder, well, let's unwrap the gifts of programming. First off, coding sharpens your critical thinking. As you learn to write programs, you develop the ability to break down complex problems into smaller, manageable parts. It's like solving a puzzle, and who doesn't love a good puzzle, right? Secondly, programming fuels creativity. With code, you can bring any idea to life, whether it's a beautiful website, a handy mobile app, or an engaging video game. Thirdly, understanding programming helps you demystify technology. You get to peek behind the curtain, understanding how your favorite apps and devices work. Lastly, let's talk career versatility. Whether you're in healthcare, arts, or entrepreneurship, coding skills can open up a myriad of opportunities. You could automate tasks, analyze data, or even start your own tech company. Therefore, programming is not just about writing codes, it's about creating solutions, understanding the world around us, and opening new career paths. Let's hear from individuals who've transformed their careers and lives by embracing programming. Consider, for instance, an artist who once relied solely on traditional mediums. Now, they create breathtaking digital art installations thanks to their understanding of code. Their masterpieces are a fusion of creativity and technology, challenging the boundaries of what art can be. Next, let's look at an entrepreneur who owns a small local business. They learned to code and developed a user-friendly website that expanded their reach far beyond their local community. Their business flourished, proving that programming isn't just for tech giants, it can be a game-changer for small businesses too. How about a farmer who implemented a smart irrigation system on their farm? By learning programming, they were able to automate their irrigation, conserving water and improving crop yield. These stories demonstrate how learning to code can provide valuable tools to innovate and problem-solve in any profession. Ready to start your programming journey? The time is now. Don't let the opportunity to enhance your skills and broaden your horizons pass you by. With an abundance of online resources and supportive communities at your fingertips, learning programming has never been more accessible. Whether you're an artist, a healthcare professional, or an entrepreneur, the language of computers can open up a world of possibilities for you. Join the Programming4Future movement today and unlock the door to a future filled with possibilities. As we look towards the future, the role of programming becomes even more apparent. It's the backbone of the digital age, a universal language that transcends borders and industries. It's the tool we use to solve problems, drive innovation, and shape our world. Programming doesn't discriminate. It equips everyone with the ability to make significant contributions, regardless of their field. Programming is not just for programmers. It's a critical skill for shaping a better, more innovative world for all of us.